Letter number 1. Thank you for loving me and caring so much for me. Knowing that you are always there for me, and that you'll always be there for me is more important than I can express. Even when I mess up, even when I hurt you mistakenly and say something stupid, you always forgive me with such patience and compassion that you help me grow stronger and better. Somehow, you even end up loving me more. You're a wonderful person, and you're the most amazing partner I could imagine. I love you so much. Thank you for just being you. Letter number 2. It's hard to express how much you mean to me, but consider this, no matter what I am doing, you are in my thoughts. It's not a choice I really have. I simply love you and think of you all the time. Whether moving through chores at home, working at the office, eating a meal, or just walking around, no matter what, you are always with me. No matter what I am doing, I think of the strength of our love, the way we hold each other, and the way you whisper in my ear. I know, from the bottom of my heart, that we are meant to be together forever. I love you so very much. Letter number 3. To put it simply, you are the greatest thing that has ever happened to me. You keep me going through all the ups and downs of life. You are my best friend, someone who truly listens to me, someone who knows me almost better than I know myself. You are my perfect lover, the perfect match for my body and my soul. With you by my side, the world is open and wonderful. We can make many things in life may be uncertain, but I want you to know that whatever happens, in whatever direction our lives unfold, I will always be there for you. I will always cherish you and support you. I will always want to be with you and, always, I will love you. Letter number 4. You have stood by my side through everything now. You have guided me through dark moments and have shared my hopes and secrets. You have nurtured me back to health when I have been ill. You have done for me what no one else has done before, and I love you so much for it. You and I know that many things change over time. Places change, ideas change, and some people even change. My love for you, however, never will. From now until the end of our lives, I will be yours and yours alone. I will be your best friend, your lover, and your husband. I will always stand by your side and never change. Letter number 1. In my daydreams, I see the way you look at me with complete understanding and with the warmth that takes my breath away. Then I wonder if I dreamt all of those wonderful moments we have shared. Have I dreamt all the words we uttered to describe how we feel toward one another? The incredible love that I feel for you makes my head spin and my heart responds with strong emotions. There is a strong feeling that this dream will never end. But am I dreaming? I close my eyes and I see you as you were when we last said goodbye. Then the phone rings and it is you. Your words reassure me that I am not dreaming. I am grateful, and I will love you always. Letter number 1. Well, here we are 10 years later and I am as devoted to you as I was on the day we were married. I still miss you when you leave for the day, and I can't wait for you to return every night. You are my love, my life, and the strength that guides me through all the rough times. Remember that I am here for you, too, forever and for always. I promise to keep you in loving arms for the rest of our lives. I promise to love, honor, and cherish you until the end of time. I promise to be here for you, whenever you need me. I promise to be your soulmate as we grow old together. I will be your faithful spouse for all eternity. I give you my heart and soul for all eternity. I love you just for being you, for your humor, and for your kindness. You are the only person who has ever made me feel this way, and my heart is yours forever. Letter number 2. I promise that I will always love you, no matter what. Although you might think that I don't, I do. I have so much respect for you. You were the one that was there for me when I needed someone, and I appreciate that. I really want to be with you and no one else. Why? Because I feel in my heart that you are the only one for me in this world. No one else can fill your shoes, and it has been proven. Whenever you are ready, I am here for you, my love. Letter number 3. I feel incredibly fortunate to have you in my life. Please don't mind if I appear to be arrogant in talking about our love, and please don't mind if I appear to gloat about our love. Don't mind if I appear to be absent-mindedly smiling all the time. I'm only thinking about you. It's true, over this first year together, we have been through a lot of ups and downs. Like most couples, we had our share of good and bad arguments, temporary breakups, heated discussions, and passion. We've been through it all. What is unique about our relationship is that we go through each difficulty, each complexity, and always come out of it loving each other all the more. I know I can be a total jerk sometimes. I know I can be almost impossible to live with. But one thing is very clear to me, I love you more than words can express. Let's celebrate our first year together. Let's celebrate the many more years to come. Let's celebrate our love. Happy anniversary. Letter number 4. Our belated anniversary comes with my humble commitment to serve you for life. To give you the joy of a relationship that lets you be yourself, because I know and identify with a human being in you. Sure, I don't claim to understand everything that you care about, but I will always strive to listen with my heart and reach out for the emotionally complex being in you, to understand how best my life can serve yours and support you, fulfilling the purpose for which your life is meant. On this year's anniversary and beyond, it is with my life and with the life that we hope to create together that I say I love you. By seeking your hand to build a family and to pass on the gift of life to our children, I am saying I love you, not only in this life and beyond, but for all eternity. I wish you a blissful anniversary and many more, to a selfless lady with so much integrity and grace, worthy of the true gift of love. I love you, and I always will. Letter number 1. A few years ago, I had totally given up on love. I thought that nobody was out there for me. I thought that the ache in my heart would forever go unfulfilled. I even began to think that love itself might be an illusion. But then you entered my life and, suddenly, love was real. It was a fact, and it was everywhere. After only a short time, my heart finally felt whole, and I knew you were the cause. You were the answer I had been looking for deep inside. I knew, without a doubt, that you were the only one for me. Thank you for entering my life. You have brought me such joy. I will love you for the rest of my days. Letter number 1. First of all, I would like to say I love you with all my heart. I will never forget the first day that we met. I remember each and every detail. Meeting you has been an answer to my prayers. I will always love you. My heart belongs to you and only you. I never want you to forget that. I didn't think it was possible to fall in love with someone so fast, but knowing you has totally proved me wrong. I am truly happy to be with you. You are everything to me and I will do anything for you. I will never leave your side, and, when you have to leave me, I will be right here waiting for you to come back. Each and every kiss feels like the first one, and my love for you grows stronger as the days go by. I love you with all my heart and soul, and I always will. Baby, I love you.